In this video, we will see how you can get 10% discount on VSub, which is an amazing AI tool to generate subtitles for long-form videos, and it also has a lot of new amazing AI features. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, if you want to know how to use VSub, you can check out my VSub tutorial video. I will link it in the description. Now, let's see how to get the discount. Open VSub through the link given in description. You will see a page like this. If you have never used VSub, click here on Get Started for free and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Sign In. After signing in, you will see this page. On the top, click here on Pricing. You can see 4 different monthly plans with different benefits. You can compare all of them and choose any one suitable for you. If you click here on Lifetime, you will find 2 different plans that allow lifetime access with all the benefits. The extra features in Premium plan is extra credits and team collaboration. If you select monthly plans, you will have to pay a small amount every month. If you select lifetime plans, you will have to pay a slightly higher amount once, but then you will have lifetime access. So let's select a monthly plan. Click on Go Premium. You will see a pop-up with the option to enter discount code. Type WB Explainer in all caps and click Apply. You can see that we have received a 10% discount on the original price, reducing the price from $99 to $89. Now, select any one payment method and complete the payment. If you want to know about another amazing AI captions tool for short-form videos, then check out this video over here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI-related content. Thanks for watching.